Are you looking for a simple, delicious pasta recipe for dinner or lunch? I got you covered. I'm going to start by boiling the pasta. In a pot of hot water, I drizzle some olive oil, a little bit of salt to taste, and I go in with the pasta. I will stir everything together and allow to cook until it's 98% done. Not fully cooked, but 98% done. While the pasta is cooking, I'll go ahead and prep my pepper. I'm making use of bell pepper, the yellow one and the red one, and some onion. If you have the green one, you can add it as well. I cut it into slices, but you can basically cut it into shape of your choice. Back to the pasta. The pasta is done to my liking. I'll go ahead and drain out the water and set it aside. In a pan, I added some butter and allow to melt up slightly. Once it's melted up, I go in with some garlic and give everything a quick stir. Added some sliced onion and I'm going to stir everything together for about 30 seconds just to infuse flavor into the butter. Added a little bit of tomato paste just to give the pasta a beautiful color when the pasta is done, and I keep stirring together for about 30 seconds again, and I add some scotch bonnet pepper. I keep stirring for another 30 seconds. Added the bell pepper and I'm going to stir everything together until they are well combined. The bell pepper is just for color, alright? If you don't want, you can totally skip it. But I'm making use of bell pepper so I can have a good thumbnail, alright? You guys know sometimes we do something for thumbnail, alright? But it adds a lot of flavor to it. If you have it, I will say add it to your pasta, alright? Once I stir everything together really well, I go in with the cooking cream and I add a good reasonable amount of cooking cream into the sauce, alright? I stir everything together until they are well combined and I go ahead and season it. I'm making use of black pepper, rosemary, salt and seasoning cube. Feel free to add any seasoning of your choice, but at the same time, you don't want to over season it, alright? Give everything a quick stir and allow to boil. The sauce is boiling really well. I give everything a quick stir and I tasted for seasoning. Everything is perfect and I go in with the pasta. For this recipe, make use of any pasta of your choice, alright? Once I add the pasta, I give everything a quick stir. And you guys, it's looking so beautiful and it's juicy, it's creamy, it tasted absolutely delicious. I make this for my boss and she dropped cap for me. You guys, you have to go and try it. Once I stir everything together really well, I cover it and allow everything to simmer together for about 2 to 3 minutes. And that is it, guys. Give it a final good stir and serve it. It's so delicious and it's so simple to put together. My people, food done. Oh, bring your plate, let me serve you. You guys, look at that. It's so juicy, it's so creamy. It tasted absolutely delicious. You can pair it with chicken, with liver, with beef, whatever you want. And I hope you guys like the recipe. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.